Understanding Arborist Work, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and nuances of the term arborist work. This phrase might be new to many of you, so let's dive into what it entails and why it's important. Remember, understanding such specific terms not only improves your English but also broadens your knowledge about different professions. An arborist is a professional trained in the science of planting, caring for, and maintaining trees. Arborists are often called tree surgeons because they diagnose and treat diseases in trees, much like doctors do for humans. They play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our environment. Arborist work involves a range of activities. These include tree planting. Arborists know where and how to plant different types of trees for optimal health and growth. Tree pruning. This is essential for tree health, safety, and aesthetics. Pruning involves removing dead or diseased branches. Tree removal. Sometimes, trees need to be removed if they are dead, diseased, or pose a safety hazard. Emergency tree care. Arborists often respond to emergencies where trees have fallen or pose immediate risks. Arborist work is vital for several reasons. Environmental health. Trees are crucial for the environment. They provide oxygen, reduce air pollution, and offer habitats for wildlife. Public safety. Proper tree care ensures that trees don't become hazards during storms or due to disease. Aesthetics. Well-maintained trees enhance the beauty of our communities. Arborists are skilled in using various tools like chainsaws, pruning shears, and sometimes even cranes for large trees. They also need knowledge in tree biology, disease management, and safety protocols. To become an arborist, one typically needs a combination of education in fields like horticulture or environmental science, and practical experience. Certifications, like those from the International Society of Arboriculture, are also valuable. I hope this video has been informative and has given you a clearer understanding of what arborist work means. Trees are vital to our planet, and the role of an arborist is crucial in maintaining their health and our safety. Keep learning and exploring new terms, and you'll find your English improving along with your knowledge of the world around us. Until next time, take care and happy learning.